Create a new test execution for selected test cases. Learn how to start a new test execution by selecting specific test cases and setting key details. Start by selecting the target project to manage test executions. Navigate to the Executions section to view and manage all test execution rounds. Click Create Execution to begin setting up a new test run. Choose New Execution to start from scratch with custom test cases. Select Test Cases to manually pick exactly which scenarios to include. Enter a clear execution summary so your team instantly understands this run's purpose. Open the Assignee dropdown to decide who will lead this execution task. Assign ownership to the right team member for accountability and visibility. Specify the environment for testing to ensure accurate and relevant results. Select the right fix version to track testing against specific product releases. Set the start date to plan and communicate the execution schedule. Select an end date to define your testing window. Hand-pick test cases to tailor your execution to current priorities. Organize test cases by folder to quickly find related scenarios. Filter by folder name to focus on relevant business processes. Click Create Execution to launch your tailored test run. View in-depth details or progress by opening any execution in the list. And this is your execution details. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos from SpurQuality.